Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. As I say every week, we've got a good one lined up for you today. Have you seen the thumbnail? It's an absolute belter. Okay, we'll kick off with the brush. There we go. That is, let me show you the bottom. The DS Cosmetic. People say to me, John, you know when you does that it blurs. The trouble is with these glasses, they're very focals. And as I look at my phone screen now, the parts of the glasses that I'm looking out of, they're not for distance vision, so everything's just blurred. If I look through that part of the glass now, everything's clear. But they just don't sit right on my head. There you go, DS Cosmetic, 24mm marble effect, silk smoke. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Not used it for a while, looking forward to using that. And we've got that in the John Shays official super soaker. There you go. Okay, what else are we going to be using today? The Balm, here, look. Cherry Blossom, see it, extract skincare. It says softening hand cream. But I mean, I say all along, hand cream, face cream, skin, isn't it? If it's going to soften these leather callous things, it's going to do wonders on this beautiful soft face. There you go. Now that, guys, Walmart. Over here it's called Asda. Now it got sold recently, so I don't know if it's still Walmart in the US. I don't know if they just sold the UK version, but the UK version of it was called Asda stores. And this, guys, cherry scented hand cream, or shaving balm if you like, in Asda, 80p. That's $1. Good stuff, and it goes very, very well with the shaving soap that we're going to be using. Here it is, Daisho Sakura Kosui. Hi-yo! Check that out, guys. Oh, absolutely wonderful. I'll talk a little bit more about the notes in a minute, but that's the soap. And check out, I absolutely love these bottles. Right. Flash and Land, where's that? See it? It says at the bottom Flash and Land. But anyway, there's the matching splash, and you've seen the balm. On Daisho's website, it does actually say that it's sold out at the moment. But here we go. Diddly. Sakura Cherry Blossom. The perfume, the aromatic description could be described as bamboo aromas sweetened with velvety opium, to then develop a prominent, elegant heart of subtle Japanese cherry brushed with cheerful top notes of violet. And you get them all, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Sweet cherry scent, but there are spices in there as well that seem to damp down the sweetness of the cherry. But once again, just like the honey one before it, a beautiful, beautiful, natural smelling cherry soap. I'm looking forward to using that. The weapon of choice, the hardware. Here it is. Can you guess? Rockwell 6C. There you go. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a good blade in there today. The Rapira Platinum Lux. I found that in there as well. Rapira. So is that steel? Or is it just a different wrapper? Yeah, oh well. Rapira Platinum Lux. You think I would know, wouldn't you? Double wrapped, but I don't. These blades are so thin. Absolute paper thin. Let's get it out. There it is. There it says. Can you read that? Because I can read Russian. It says Rapira Platinum Lux. No, it doesn't. It just says it in English on the back. There you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that on there. And to get that in there, let's have a look. We live dangerously. On John Shays 101. We live dangerously. Check this out, guys. Can you see that? Number 6. all 3 passes and pickups on number 6. Hey, that is the legend that is John Shears. Aye, tell your parents about me. There you go. We'll stick that on there. Everything's done. We'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. Oh, yes. So, how is everybody doing? How's your week progressing so far? It's been the strangest of weeks for me, guys. We've had this storm. I don't know if you're aware of it. Pardon me. We had this storm, and I just can't remember. I think it was Mark Zaredi was talking about it, sending his best wishes and everything to the people of the UK and so on. And look at this, guys. Look, I wasn't expecting anything else. It's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I've got drenched a couple of times at work because we have to carry stuff out to my van and so on. And there's just no way around it. You get out to do your deliveries. You know, I'm a delivery driver. I deliver all over the northwest of England. And when you get out to do your deliveries, if it's absolutely bouncing down off the street, there's no, you just got to get out and do it, haven't you? You know, you can't. So the knock-on effect that's had is when I come home from work every day this week, I've just been absolutely exhausted, and I've been falling asleep in the chair. One day I went to bed and I slept for almost 3 hours, and then I got up and went to bed 3 hours later, slept for 9 hours. So yeah, so it's been a slow week, but I'm quite busy in my private life, you know. Now things are opening up. Wow, look at this. Very, very rich, very thick, creamy lava. Now things are starting to open up. I am a busy bee. I've been doing, it might not look like things are going on in the bathroom, but they are. I've filled in holes and cracks, and when they did the toilet, they destroyed all the plaster. I've had to replaster and then just left it, you know. So I've replastered myself behind the toilet. I shall be sanding that down. But just for this week in particular, because of how busy I am outside of work with stuff going on in my private life, nothing bad, just busy, you know. I'm just squeezing in what I can when I can, you know. So I'm hoping some way this week to get to a stage where all I need to do is paint it, because it's 90% preparation, 10% perspiration. Well, anyway, you didn't come here to talk about my decorating, did you? Here we go. Look, I've never tried this combination before, this Rapira Lux blade. The blade is wonderful, but I've never tried it in a Rockwell. Look at that. Aye? There's a reason Rockwell razors have got the reputation that they've got. That's very close, very smooth. This razor was gifted to me by Daniel Lund. Thank you, Daniel. I don't even know Daniel, it was wonderful. So kind, he sent me loads of samples as well. I've still got some in there to use. And he sent me an extra cosmetic set of soap. And then he messaged me one day, he said, "John, have you got a Rockwell 6C? I said, "I haven't, Daniel. I've not got around to getting one of those yet." He said, "I've got a 6S. Oh, he's getting a 6S. And I thought no more of it. And then a week later, this came in the post. Thank you, Daniel. To be honest, I've not seen Daniel about. I must drop him a line. Daniel, if you're watching this, comment, let me know you're okay, buddy. But yeah, wow. Absolutely fantastic razor, this. So how are you doing? How is the weather where you are? Things are going in the right direction. As I look out of the window now, it's still daylight and I'm recording this. I normally record it at about 4 p.m. And it's 5:30, quarter to 6 p.m. and it's still daylight. So things are improving. Here we go. I would put the scent strength on this at about a 6 and it just stays at a 6. It's absolute beautiful, very, very slick. Look at it. Wonderful, wonderful quality soap. I used the honey one. I think it was about 3 videos back. And Fran from Daisho left all the comment. Thank you, Fran, on the video. So please go back and check out his comment if you want to check out that video. If you want, the only scents I've got are this cherry one and the honey one. But please let me know what your shaves of the day are. I do like reading the comments. And you're having some great shaves out there. Yeah, so there's not really like to say, I've been very busy. Like now things are opening up and all the restrictions have gone here. Things seem to be getting back to normal, if you can say normal. And yeah, what that means is, yeah, because like a lot of things that I do in my private life were suspended when the restrictions hit. And now the restrictions are being lifted slowly but surely. Everything's opening up again and I'm starting to get busier and busier. But don't worry, John's shave shall continue. I could hear a collective gasp of horror then, but you can relax, guys. Little itty bitty me is going nowhere. Well, that's it, yeah. The days are getting longer, the nights are getting lighter, life is getting back to normal. Oh, I just want to get this bathroom tied off. I don't think it'll be this week, I'll be honest with you. I think it's I'll probably finish the preparation at some point this week and this weekend. And then once it's just a matter of painting it, I will probably do that. And I don't want to upset you all, but the shelf of love is no more. Because that was tiled and we can't drill it because that's not a solid wall. So, lather mittens, here we go. So, the shelf was a stick-on suction cup shelf, you know, the shelf of love. It's not going to go on to a painted wall, it just isn't. So it's gone. But a viewer from across the pond, and you must let me know if I can tell them in the video it was you. And watch this, you must thank you very much. He sent a picture of it. I'm going to get a frame for it. And I won't go into too much detail, but my wife and daughter looked at the picture and she went, "Dad, that looks like you." Well, my wife didn't call me Dad. Well, it'd just be strange, wouldn't it? But you get the point, don't you? There you go. Check this out, guys. Did I even do 3 passes then? Honestly, dad brain. Do you know, don't get old, kids. It's a trap. It is. It's an absolute trap. Let's have a look and see. We're on 15 minutes, so I must have done 3 passes. There you go. Look at that, we did okay. don't we? Absolutely, look at that BBS. Not a hair, absolutely wonderful. There you go. And we'll balm up with this Daisho Sakura Kosui. It's your Japanese cherry shaving soap and splash. We'll get a good dose on there. And this is all good stuff. And they're on Facebook as well, guys. So if you go on the website, you can't get in touch with them. Franny's called. They've got a Facebook page. Go on the Facebook page. I think they do a lot of the media and the releases. Oh my word. Oh, that smells fantastic. Oh, that smells absolutely fantastic. And then we'll get some of this hand cream, cherry blossom. And it does actually have a cherry smell to us. That's a little bagel, see? Last video I made a Leviathan, this video I made a bagel. That could be a new feature at the end of the videos. What's John gonna make today? You know, like Bob Ross, a bit of Bob Ross. I'm sure that mantle's been taken though. I think the English version was Tony Hart. Do you remember Tony Hart used to, that man was talented. He could make artistic drawings and sculptures out of anything. There you go. And that's us. That's our shape. Look at that, guys. My skin feels fantastic. That shaving soap and splash are proper skin food. I highly recommend Daisho, guys. I'll put links underneath this video. Thanks for sticking with me. If I've only done 2 passes, I won't muscle this back. Honestly, my mind has gone blank. If I've only done 2 passes, I'm sorry. Please don't feel cheated. And remember, show some love. And show some love to someone that doesn't show it to you. Because it's easy to love those that love us, isn't it? But we need to love those that don't. Look after yourselves. And I will see you on Saturday, surprisingly enough, for the Saturday shift. Bye.